On this video today, I'm going to show you a simple method that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without investing any money. The method is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. An affiliate network is a website where you can get affiliate offers to promote. In this case, I'm using Digistore24. Digistore24 is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can search for it and then create a free account so that you can promote offers and then make a commission anytime you get a sale. So once you create your accounts on Digistore24 and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. The products on this platform are grouped into categories. So if you want digital products, you have to click right here, digital products. Once you click on it, you will see the subcategories of digital products. You can see under animals and pets, they have about 121 available products that you can promote. Betting system, you can see 6. Business and investment, you can see 127 available products that you can promote, and many others. You can see a whole lot of different categories and the number of available offers that you can promote under each category. You can see a whole lot of them. So if you want a digital product, all that you need to do is that you have to select the one that is suitable for you. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want and then promote it. Apart from the digital products, you can also promote physical products. You can promote physical products. When you click on physical products, you can see they have skincare and supplements. Any of them that you want, you can select it and then promote. You can see a whole lot of them. If you don't want physical products, you can also promote services. You can promote events and seminars. Any category of offers that you want, you can get it on this platform to promote. The best part is that you don't need any approval to promote a product. All the products, they are readily available. You can promote any of them that you want. Now, apart from selecting the product based on the categories, you can also consider some factors before you select an offer. For example, they have cart conversion rate. So the cart conversion rate is the number of people who click on the link of the product and then go ahead to purchase it. This one, for example, is 20%. That means if you promote it to about 100 people, 20% of the 100 people who click on the link of the product are going to purchase it, so that you can be making money from home. You can also consider the commission rate. This one, for example, you are going to be earning $114.79 per every sale that you get. If you get one sale, this is the amount that you are going to earn. If you get 2 sales, this amount multiplied by 2. If you get 3 sales, this amount multiplied by 3. So you have to also consider the commission rate. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. Just select any of them that you want and then promote it. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to consider the cart conversion rate and the commission rate. So for example, you can see this one, the cart conversion rate is high. It is 21%. You can see the commission rate is also high, $146.30 per every sale that you get. So you can promote a product like this. There are many of them that you can promote. When you scroll down, you can see this one, the cart conversion rate is higher than the one that I'm going to be promoting. When you scroll down, you can see this product, the cart conversion is also very high. You can see it, but the commission rate, it is not too high. You can see $41.17 per every sale that you get. So if you want, you can also promote a product like this. But in this case, I'm going to be promoting this one right here. You can see the commission rate is high, so I'm going to be promoting this one. To promote the offer, just click on promote now. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see these are some of the details of the product. So if you want, you can read through them. Apart from that, you have to also get to know more about the product so that you can begin promoting it. To get more information about the product, you have to click right here, sales page. Once you click on it, you'll be able to get the landing page of the product. As you can see, this is the landing page of the product. This is the exact page that your potential visitors are going to see before they go ahead to purchase the product. You can see a lot of different details. They even have 1 year money back guarantee. You can see it right here. So your potential visitors, when they purchase the product and they are not getting their desired results within a year, they can send the product back and then receive their money. You can see it right here, money back guarantee. So if you are not getting the result that you want, you can return the product and then take back your money. So this kind of information is good because It makes our potential customers trust the product, so they are going to go ahead and then purchase it once they see information like this. If you want more information, you can click right here, watch now. Once you click on it, you are going to watch a video presentation of how the product works so that you can begin to promote it. But in this case, I've already done that ahead of time, so I'm not going to watch the video, but I recommend you should watch the video so that you can get more information about the product. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to click right here, affiliate support page. If you need more resources to promote the product, you can click on it. In this case, I don't need any resources, so I have my resources that I can use to promote the product, so there is no need for me to click on this link. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to build a simple landing page so that you can use the landing page to promote the offer. If you want, you can also promote a direct link, but in this case I'm going to use a landing page. To build a landing page, what you have to do is that you have to search for googlesite.com. Once you search for it, click on this first site. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can click right here, blank site. Once you click on it, you can be able to build a landing page. I've already shown you step by step on how to build a landing page, so I'm not going to do that in this video, but I will link a video in the description so that you can watch step by step on how to build a landing page using Google Site. As you can see, this is my simple landing page that I'm going to be using to promote the product. As you can see right here, I have my heading and then an image of the video that they're going to watch. You can see it right here. Once that is done, you can see my call to action. So once they click on it, they are going to be directed to the product landing page. And once they are directed, they can watch the video and then go ahead to purchase the product. So just build a simple landing page like this. Now once you have your simple landing page, the next step is that you have to get traffic to this link so that you can get people to purchase the product for you to make money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is posteasyads.com. This is a website that you can use to get traffic from any country that you want. The best part is that they have different categories that you can post your ad. You can see these are categories that you can post your ad. If you want digital items, you can select a subcategory under digital items. You can see ebooks, websites, software. Under community, you can see different subcategories. For sale, you can see different subcategories. Any of them that you want, you can select. You can see property, they have different subcategories. Jobs, they have different subcategories. So any category that you want, you can select it and then post your ad for free. You are not required to pay for anything. You can see the categories. If you click right here, other countries, you see a lot of different countries that you can post your ad. As you can see right here, these are the countries that you can post your ad. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select any of them that you want and then post your ad. You can see a whole lot of different countries. As I scroll, you can see the countries right here. You can see a whole lot of them. Any of them that you want, just select it and then post your ad. In this case, we are going to be targeting people who live in Canada. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here and then search for Canada. You can see Canada here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post free ad. Once you click on it, you can see the location is Canada. You can see it right here. Now the next step is that you have to select the category of the ad that you are posting. You can see these are categories that you can post your ad. What you have to do is that you have to click on services. Once you click on services, select the subcategory under services that you are going to post your ad. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see a whole lot of different subcategories that you can post your ad. In this case, you have to select health and fitness. Once you select health and fitness, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to paste the title of your ad here, the location and a description. In this case, I have my title, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter the location. So let's type Canada. As you can see, that has been done. This is the location. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to write a description and then paste it right here. In this case, I use ChatGPT to write the description. So this is my description. Let me highlight and then copy it. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. Once that is done, you have to type a call to action here. So let's type something like, click here to get access to the offer now. Something like this. Click here to get access to the offer now. Once you have your call to action, the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate link here. So you have to come back on your landing page, click on this icon. Once you click on it, you can see this is the link to your landing page. Click on it and then copy it. Once you copy it, you're going to come back, highlight your call to action and then click on this globe icon. Once you click on it, you can paste the link to your landing page here and then click on OK. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, when you scroll down, you can see this is the preview of it. This is exactly what people are going to see. So when they click on it, they're going to be directed to your landing page. Once they are directed to the landing page, they can take action for you to make money. Once that is done, you have to enter your email address here. Once you enter your email address, the next step is that you have to upload images of the offer that you are promoting. To get images of the product, you have to search for the name of the product on Google. Once you search for it, you can be able to get images of the product. So once you search for the name, select images. Once you select images, these are the images of the offer that you can use on your ad. You can see. So right click on any of them that you want. Once you right click, select save images. Once that is done, click on download. As you can see, that has been done. Once you download the image, you're going to come back, click on choose file. Once that is done, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. The image has been uploaded. Once that is done, you can see people can contact me with commercial interest. Select that. Once that is done, I agree to the terms of use by making a post. Click on that. Once that is done, you can see featured ad. If you want your ad to be featured on the website, you can click right here and then select any of them that you can afford. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, we are going to post for free, so do not select any of them. Once that is done, extended ad. If you want your ad to be on the website for a number of days, you can extend it right here by paying a certain amount. You can see you can select any of this amount to extend the duration of your ad on the website. In this case, we are going to select none. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to go ahead and then post your ad so that you can get people to purchase it for you to make money. So click right here, post now. Once you click on it, you can see congratulations, your ad successfully posted and live. No activation is required. So your ad has been posted onto the website and you are going to be getting traffic to your affiliate link without paying for anything. So what I recommend is that you have to post a lot of ads onto this website. Post easy ads. Post as many ads as you want. You are not restricted. You can post a lot of ads onto this platform within a day. So just keep on posting so that you can drive a lot of traffic to your affiliate link. This is free traffic source. Everyone is competing, so you have to post many ads so that you can be able to beat your competitors and then make the money. You don't have to post one ad and then wait for the results. You have to keep on posting many ads, so that you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.